Evening friends, Will Silvers here with Driver Mojo channel. Had to go somebody again tonight. Rude, inconsiderate. When I drive 18 miles, come back from Greenfield to come and pick you up for your little 6 or 7 minute trip. Yeah, it was getting me back into the city, so I wasn't fretting about the long pickup. But anyway, I drove that distance to come to pick you up. I'm sitting on the curb a while, be right out, text message says, he finally starts seeing some activity up at the door. Okay, cool. Guy comes out. We have to negotiate getting him a mask. I give him one, no big deal. And oh, she'll be out in just a minute. She might need one too. Okay, no problem. So he gets the mask and then he goes back in. And I'm like, okay, well, we lost him. And they come back out and they're chit-chatting, exchanging phone numbers on the curb. She's talking about, oh, I know my phone's in there in the house, and she goes back in the house. Look, we got a 3-minute window for pickup. It went past that because they were out here, they were almost to the car, and then she goes back in. Once it hit 6 minutes, they heard the car start back up, and they're like, oh, she'll be right out. No, she won't. I'm gonna move on to paying customers, and you can call the next ride. Bye, Felicia. Catch the next ride when you're ready. You ever have that kind of problem? Would you have waited that long? We got a 3-minute window. Let me know in the comments below if you think I waited too long or just right, or how would you have done it? Let me know in the comments below.